Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions. Today we will explore 25 multiple choice general knowledge questions that will challenge your mind and spark your curiosity across a variety of topics. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Majuli, the largest river island in the world, lie in the state of A. Tripura, B. Mizoram, C. Assam, and option D. Manipur. The correct answer is Assam. Majuli is the large river island in the Brahmaputra river in Assam. The island is about 200 kilometers east from the state largest city Guwahati. The island was formed due to the course changed by the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries, mainly the Lohit. Question number 2. The Bhilai steel plant in India has been established with the assistance of option A. Russia, option B. UK, option C. USA, and option D. Germany. The correct answer is Russia. Bhilai steel plant located in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh is the India's first main producer of steel rail as well as major producer of wide steel plates and variety of saleable steel products. This steel plant was set up with the help of the Russia in 1955. Question number 3. In India, the Black Revolution is related to the manufacture of which product? A. Charcoal, B. Diamond, C. Black gram, option D. Crude petroleum. The correct answer is crude petroleum. The term Black Revolution comes from the black gold, which is another name of the crude oil because of its high value. It began in 1970 and it result of Indian government effort to increase domestic oil production and reduce the country dependency on import oil. Question number 4. Which one of the following novel was source of inspiration for freedom fighter in India? Option A. Rangbhumi, option B. Anandmat, option C. Patrika Guru, and option D. Padma Marg. Current answer is Anandmat. Is a Bengal novel written by the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and published in 1882, set in the background of the Sannyasi revolt in the 18th century. Question number 5. The first telegraph line between the Calcutta and Agra was opened in option A 1857, option B 1851, option C 1860, and option D 1854. The correct answer is 1851. Question number 6. The Panchsheel agreement was between India and option A Russia, option B Brazil, option C Sri Lanka, and option D China. The correct answer is China. The Panchsheel 5 Principle of Peaceful Coexistence agreement was signed between the China and India in 1954. It formed part the preamble to agreement on trade and intercourse between the Tibet region of China and India, which was signed in a peak on 29 April 1954. Question number 7. Which among the following is called the gift of the Nile? Option A China, option B India, option C Egypt, and option D Iraq. The correct answer is Egypt. Egypt is called the gift of the Nile because the Nile river has been a lifeline for Egypt, providing water and fertile soil for agriculture. Question number 8. Who wrote a document known as the 95 Theses? Option A Martin Luther, option B Saint Augustus, option C Voltaire, and D Henry David. The correct answer is Martin Luther. This document was a list of grievances against the Catholic Church and sparked the Protestant Reformation in 16th century. Question number 9. What major civilization that comes soon after the Greek was greatly influenced by Greek culture? Option A Egyptian, B Romans, C. Assyrian, and D. Persian. The correct answer is Romans. Okay, the major civilization that comes soon after the Greeks and was greatly influenced by Greek culture was the Roman civilization. Okay, the Roman adopt many aspects of Greek culture including philosophy, religions, education, language and fashions. Question number 10. Okay, the layer where the decrease in the temperature which increase altitude is total absent. A. Troposphere, B. Ionosphere, C. Stratosphere, and D. Mesosphere. The correct answer is stratosphere. Okay, the stratosphere defines layer in which the temperature rises with increasing altitude. At the top of the stratosphere, the thin air may attain temperature close to 0 degree. This rise in temperature is caused by the absorption of ultraviolet radiation from the sun by the ozone layer. Such a temperature profile creates a very stable atmosphere. Question number 11. Which of the following exhibit unidirectional flow in an ecosystem? Option A. Light, Option B. Water, Option C. Biomass, and Option D. Energy. The correct answer is energy. Question number 12. Which country is known as the land of midnight sun? A. Sweden, B. Norway, Option C. Germany, and Option D. Finland. The correct answer is Norway. Norway is called the land of the midnight sun because the sun never dips entirely below the horizon between late May and late July. During the summer month, areas located north of the Arctic Circle experience nearly perpetual daylight. Question number 13. Which Grand Slam tennis tournament is also known as the Roland Garros? Option A. French Open, Option B. Australian Open, C. US Open, and Option D. Dutch Open. The correct answer is French Open. Question number 14. What is the term for a baby kangaroo? Option A. Joy, Option B. Cub, Option C. Calf, and Option D. Pup. The correct answer is joy. Question number 15. The animal which uses sound as its eye is? Option A. Dog, B. Cat, C. Snake, and Option D. Bat. The correct answer is bat. Bat echolocation is perpetual system where ultrasonic sound are emitted especially to produce echoes. By comparing the outgoing pulse with the returning echoes, the brain and auditory nervous system can produce detailed image of the bat's surroundings. Question number 16. Which sport competition is known as the Billie Jean King Cup? Option A. Football, B. Baseball, C. Tennis, and Option D. Golf. The correct answer is tennis. The Billie Jean King Cup is the premier international team competition in the women's tennis, launched in 1963 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the International Tennis Federations. Question number 17. Which of the following organelles are called the protein factories of the cell? Option A. Chloroplast, B. Lysosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Ribosomes. The correct answer is ribosomes. The ribosomes works as the protein factory in every living cells. It gathers amino acid and assembles them into proteins chain to make almost anything the cells needs. Question number 18. Antibodies which protect our body from infection are which type of compounds? Option A. Fat, B. Proteins, C. Vitamins, and Option D. Carbohydrates. The correct answer is protein. Antibodies are large Y-shaped proteins that are produced mainly by plasma cells that is used by the immune system to neutralize pathogens such as bacteria and viruses. Question number 19. In India, when did Lifeline Express train started? A. 1992, option B 1995, option C 1997 and option D 1991. The correct answer is 1991. The Lifeline Express or Jeevan Rekha Express is a hospital train that run in India that started running on 16 July 1991. It was collaboration between the Impact India Foundation and Indian Railway and the Health Ministry. Question number 20. What is the traditional music of Spain that include clapping and stamping? Option A flamenco, B tango, option C rumba, option D salsa. The correct answer is flamenco. Question number 21. Which one of the following electromagnetic radiation is used by the satellite phone for communication? Option A X-ray, B radio waves, C microwaves and D gamma rays. Correct answer is microwaves. Question number 22. Which one of the following is the smallest endocrine gland in the human body? Option A adrenal, B pituitary, C thyroid and D pancreas. The correct answer is pituitary. Pituitary gland, called master gland, is the smallest endocrine gland. It controls the general growth of the body and stimulates the primary sex hormone, that is ovaries and testes. Question number 23. Which one of the following fruit is a member of the berry family? A strawberry, B raspberry, C tomato and option D blackberry. The correct answer is tomato. Botanically, tomato is classified as a berry because it developed from a single ovary and contains seeds. Question number 24. Most species of eucalyptus are native to which country? Option A Russia, B Japan, C Brazil and option D Australia. The correct answer is Australia. There are more than 700 species of eucalyptus and most are native to the Australia. A very small number are found in adjacent area of New Guinea and Indonesia. Question number 25. The instrument used to measure the speed of the wind is A anemometer, B chronometer, C altimeter and D dosimeter. The correct answer is anemometer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.